And that's the funniest thing about voice. With a good voice, you can do anything you want. Think about it. Those voices that they use for adverts, movie adverts, those American movies. You hear the voice. He was young and he was destined to save mankind. Come see the action, the thriller, the suspense, and this new voice. Is that all the girls don't play? Oh my God. Use that voice, walk into a club, talk to any girl with that voice, she will agree, she won't be offended. Hello, how are you doing? I like you, you look very beautiful. I would like you to follow me to my house so I can suck your puppy. Okay, where's your heart? That voice is amazing. Tell you, I know the funny thing, guys don't know, but you think that when you use your ATM, you're using the ATM at the ATM machine and you're like you want to withdraw just maybe like 10 Ghana cedis. Who even does that? You want to withdraw 10 Ghana cedis, you will now cover the screen. So the girls behind you can see it. Girls can tell by the sound of what you are withdrawing. Girls, don't try girls. You're going to punch 10 Ghana, let me make it 50 Ghana cedis. Oh yeah. They will even say hi to you. Please, please, please. But if you go to withdraw 1,000 Ghana cedis, I swear, girls will say hi to you. They know, they can hear it. The last time I came to Ghana, I went to withdraw money to go and watch a movie. And my plan was to take like 200 Ghana cedis. Girls of like 5 beautiful girls just came behind me. I looked at them, like, damn, man. I had to go like to 500. There was that GTB, and you know, so the GTB bank. 500. It just started. Are you there? Hello! I said, hi. The BasketMouth, right? I said, yes. You're quite funny. I said, 500 Ghana cedis. That's brought compliment. I'm going for another 500. Going for phone number. I'm asking her, I hope I'm not being too forward, but can I get the phone number? I gave her a phone number. She never gave me her own. So no, I'm going for another key, another 500. The next thing, sorry, can I give you my phone number, and my BB pin, and my address, and my email address? I collected everything. Remember, all I needed was 200 Ghana cedis. Now I have 1,000 for me, I don't need. So I collected everything, collected the details. I walked into the bank, deposited 1,003. They have to be sharp, you know? As a bad guy. But it's fun. You know, when you do some things, you know, it's crazy how people behave in this world right now. Think about it. Mandela died. Everyone went crazy. Now everybody's celebrating they're celebrating good luck right now. What he did was awesome. You know, normally, they don't respect things like this, but a lot of people were expecting Nigeria to go to war. Civil war in Nigeria. And those CIA people, they are very drunk. A country like Nigeria will go to war, that we love our life. Nigeria. A drunk man doesn't even get into an accident. Drunk man, she enter the car. I don't know why drunk people do that. When you do that, you're going to clear your drunkenness. It's impossible. Nigerians go to war. What? We love. Can you put more volume on this mic? I can't feel myself. More volume, engineer. Yes, you. Yeah, thank you. I can't still hear myself. Thank you. More. No, I want to feel it. How you guys doing? You guys are from the same company, right? Beautiful girls. Maybe I'm just person company. No, women are very feisty. Remember, but the thing is that when I got married to my wife, this year marks the 5th year anniversary. She said she wanted us to, would you consign you? My wife is here, that's the only information you need to know. So we went to, she said, our friend told us to buy the wedding gown from Pronovia. Now, let me tell you a secret. When you go to London to buy a wedding gown or anything, see those streets off the high streets, don't go there. We walked into the store, wedding gown, whatever. We walked in, they just offered me a glass of champagne. I said, So I left her there, she because she was picking the screw, pay, go back. And for the first time, I saw her in a wedding gown. That was the day of the wedding. And my wife walked in, and the pastor was like, ladies and gentlemen, welcome the bride. My wife just walked in. The DJ just played the coolest song ever. Can't sing the song, but the song was cool. My wife just walked in. Just walked in like this. Everywhere just went quiet. I turned back, saw her looking like an angel. The next thing, tears just started coming off my eyes. Swear down, I went in, I cried. No jokes, I cried. Tears. I just looked at her, looking to me with the veil, everything, the physique. I just, tears. My manager, who was my best friend, said, basket. Clean your tears, don't do this in public. So I carried my handkerchief. Well, no, as a bad guy, you can't just clean the tears. You clean like you're cleaning sweat. After the wedding, all my friends were so disappointed. They went, Basket, why would you cry in public? All those small children, what the fuck, man, why would you do that? I said, my brother, if you know how much that wedding gown cost. But now we are renting the wedding gown and making our money back, so see you later.
Peter Pan, this a girl can cool like a cardigan. Peter Pan, this a girl can cool like a cardigan. Peter Pan, this a girl can cool like a cardigan. This a girl make a feel like a Peter Pan. Me a get a hitty like a boy cardigan. This a girl show me love before me love me never see. For the winter but me feel like a the Hamilton. This a girl make a feel like a Peter Pan. Me a get a